Hey guys, this is the Custom Gear Shop, which is the exit store for Fast and Furious here in Orlando. And before you even go into the shop, check out this. It's one of those press penny machines that for some reason still exist. This area of the shop has been several things in the past that you could build your own vehicle here. They still have that. It's just not in this area. Here is where you can get things airbrushed.
Mostly people come in, they bring in customs, or they can bring in their jeans, or they can pick stuff from what we have on the wall. Mostly people always want to get cars. Fast and Furious shop, so they want Brian's car, Dom's car, and any of the cars from the movie.
So what do you airbrush on?
T-shirts and hats. The people bring in their own pants and want to get graffiti or their favorite theme on them. We'll put them on jeans, jackets, sometimes shoes, depending on, they got to be brand new. Shoes can range anywhere from $50 to $200. Average t-shirt start at $20. You can go from there depending on the custom you want. It can range anywhere from $45 to $200.
There used to be a wax figure of Vin Diesel, but you know where you can see him?
The movie.
As I mentioned, here is where you can still build your own custom model vehicle. Here's some examples. And try it on this little track. Just like the ride, it's very short and not very satisfying. Here you can find a wrench keychain with your name on it, unless your name is Brandy. I mean, come on, they have Vroom, Driftin', $29.95 will get you this internal combustion engine model you can build. $33 for these replicas of the vehicles seen in the Fast and Furious franchise. Some kind of cool backpacks over here. Some hats, of course. Cars don't fly, whatever that means. Or you can buy this hood, which is still here. Now, only $4,995, no longer $6,000. It's a bargain, so why don't you go buy it? $34.95 for these plushies, which light up. There's also some sound, but you probably can't hear it. Over here, you can make some souvenir tags for your luggage or your car keys. Because, you know, automotive themed. More of those $33 models of the vehicles featured in the Fast and Furious franchise. This looks like a jacket, but it's actually a long sleeve shirt. It's a nice shirt. It should be for $99.95. It is heavy, but ooh, so is the price. $16.95 for these reusable insulated containers. $14.95 for these mugs. They're pretty nice and kind of large too. $27.95 for this t-shirt. It's a nice t-shirt. A pretty good price too. Or $45 for this shirt. There's nothing on the back. It's pretty thin. And the gear shop is one of the places in the park where you can get the fuel rod, which is $30 to purchase and $3 to swap. Of course, it charges your phone or GoPro or whatever you feel like charging. You know, probably wouldn't work your laptop, but... And that's a pretty good overview. I'm not going to show you every single product. And thanks for watching the return trip to the gear shop here at the exit of Fast and Furious. Hope this video does half as well or better than the original, but thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.